Showing you guys how to make this delicious, like, yummy. This is so good. It is keto friendly. I'll list the net carbs and carbs down below. It has tomatoes, VioLife, Beyond, avocado, and spinach, which are all good for keto people or ketogenic. But let me tell you guys, this is so good. Like, this is next level avocado loaded with taco stuff. So if you like tacos and you like avocado, this is for you. I'm going to show you guys how to make it. And it's delicious. Like, it's scrumptious. Yum, yum. It's spicy. Depending on how you like your salsa. Now let's get into it. I'm going to show you what you need, how to make it. Use what you got. And be happy. Enjoy your food. Because that's why you cook. I'm going to go eat this though. I'll see you guys at the end. Alright, enjoy. Hey guys, so we're going to be making one of my new favorite foods. It is a loaded avocado taco. Taco loaded avocado. So what you'll need is your vegan cheese substitute. I'm using my VioLife. You'll need an avocado, of course, tomato. I'm using my homemade taco seasoning. Your grain of choice, I'm using spinach, and your ground unbeef of choice. I'm using the Beyond patty because I ran out of Beyond ground, but use whatever you have. And this is basically everything you're going to need. Okay, so now I'm just cooking this until it gets nice and brown. And once it's brown, almost, I added my seasoning, and then we're gonna put together our loaded avocado. Alright guys, so our ground is done, and we're just gonna take my homemade taco seasoning. We're gonna give it a nice sprinkle. Because you want to sprinkle, you want a nice amount of flavor on there. Some people do it while they're cooking. I just want it to be flavored. And this will give us the taco vibes. You know what I'm saying? You can do whatever kind of flavor you want, but I just feel like tacos just work, or the taco flavor, or even fajita flavor just works perfect with avocado. So that is seasoned. And then we're just going to cut our avocado in half, and we're going to put everything together. Alright guys, so I am going to dice up some tomatoes. This is my favorite knife. I love her. I haven't used her in a while. So yeah, you can cut your tomatoes however you like them. I'm just dicing mine because I prefer diced. And then we're basically ready to eat. I mean, like, I'm so excited. This is literally my third time making this. That's how good it is. And then we're gonna just dice, well, not dice, we're gonna cut our avocado in half. I'm gonna bring my plate because this is what the food's gonna go on. So we're just gonna take our avocado, and a good trick is if you lift this little nub here up, if it's still green under it, that's how you know your avocado is still good. And it has to be like this kind of color to know it's ripe, because some people don't know when an avocado is ripe. We're just going to cut right down the middle. Like, boom. And then the big reveal, the twist. And oh, look at how pretty that is. I love a pretty avocado. Then we're just going to take a knife, take the pit out. Save the pit. I actually grew a tree out of a pit. And we're going to get a spoon and scoop a little bit of our avocado out because we don't need all of it. So just a little bit, not all of it. I'm going to put it on the side because you can still eat it. You want to make it like a nice hole. Same thing with the other one. Just scoop enough out. You want to still be able to enjoy it. Or you can leave it in there. So first we're going to add in our ground or protein. And then we're going to add it into the other one. I feel good. So far, so good. Like, so good. Alright, and then we're going to top it with tomato. Because, I mean, why not? And then whatever is left, you see how there's like avocado here? We're just going to put that down at the bottom with the avocado. Because that's like a whole, you know, deconstructed this. And then we're going to add some of our VioLife. Because that's your own business. Add as much as you'd like. And then you can add the extra that you have in your hand down at the bottom. Now with the spinach is actually supposed to be eaten with the leftovers as like your side salad. So you kind of have like a taco salad on the side. And then you can take your leftover ground and put it on top of the spinach. So not only do you have loaded avocado, you have a deconstructed avocado salad on the side. And I'm actually going to grab some hot sauce to put on top of this. Got my hot sauce. I'm going to put this away. Boom. Boom. Boom, boom. Alright, so we have our hot sauce. Louisiana pure crystal hot sauce. We're going to drop some of that over there. I don't have any salsa. If you have hot salsa, use hot salsa. I'm using my hot sauce. And that's all she wrote, guys. This is how you make your own loaded avocado. They are so delicious. They're yummy. You have a salad on the side. Add more greens if you'd like. I love spinach, so I'm probably going to eat all of that. But yeah, please make this. It is packed with protein, fat, and it's keto friendly. Very keto friendly. That's actually why I made it the first time. But yeah, definitely check it out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. And I'll see you guys later. I'm going to eat this for dinner for the 4th time. Bye, guys.